Hello, welcome back. When I was a boy, I used to like a bit of shrimping, and the thing I liked about the shrimping was occasionally you'd get enough shrimps to have something to eat. It was never that successful, if I'm honest. But I loved the wildlife. I loved the baby place, the little octopuses, all sorts of funny things that you never quite know what you're going to pull up in a shrimp net. But I'm going to relive that today and take my boy out, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. Before we do that, I've got something I want to show you. Old carp wasteling, and I've just taken out taken out one of the carbon fibre things and literally just wrapped it around a bit of wood because the zip was broken. So that is it. It's just wrapped over a bit of wood and a screw through there and a screw through there, a little bracing bar, and this is my new shrimp net. I've got a traditional one as well. We're taking both out and we'll see how we get on. Will it? If you catch a blue marlin in that, I'll be very surprised, young boy. You might catch some little fishes though.
I might catch a shrimp. Same thing.
You might catch a shrimp.
Blue marlin shrimp.
So, on a serious note, what are we hoping for today?
Come on, keep walking. Walk and talk. Flatfish.
Flatfish, little flatfish.
And pipefish.
Flatfish, pipefish, that's what we're hoping for.
If I get a flatfish, I'm incredibly happy.
So here it is, one carp wasteling stroke shrimp net. So we made this afternoon so I could join my boy. It is 20 degrees. It is 20 degrees.
Not 20 degrees.
It is 20 degrees.
You can't even feel it, you're in waterproof.
I am in waterproofs.
What kind of a fisherman are you?
Right, we need to get onto the sand. We're on the sand. We push like that, then we're covering a massive area. What you kick up, I might catch it. There's no need to rush. Let the net do the work. You're catching stuff. Go on, you go ahead and flush them all out for me and I'll scoop them up.
So where would you go from here?
I'd just go up and down, mate, and just...
So you'd walk that way first?
Yeah, just go. Like this, I'll walk alongside you. So you scare them and I'll catch them.
We'll walk at the same speed, approximately anyway. You know, that side of my net is cutting off most of your net.
Yeah, it is.
So
You're a cheater.
anything that you catch now should be mine.
Now what, you'll claim it?
Yeah.
It's scarer's rights.
Yeah. Shrimp is 1 point.
Okay.
A little fish, 3 points. A crab, 2 points. A fish that's like a pancake, flatfish, Dover sole, place, whatever, I don't know, is 5 points. And a large crab, so it has to be, how much is an inch? It's like that, isn't it? Has to be over 2 inches wide. That's what counts as a large crab. And they are also worth 5 points. And am I missing anything?
I don't know.
God knows what.
Only your marbles.
Pipefish.
Pipefish.
Pipefish are worth 10 points because I love them. That sounds about right to me. And if you catch a blue marlin, automatically win.
If you catch a blue marlin, you win by default. Okay. I wanted to catch some different types of fish, and we've got dragonet and a pipefish so far. That's about 30 seconds in. Whew. And then a lot of little shrimps. Georgie trying to overtake me to get to the fishes.
What have you been trying now?
Shiver me winkers.
Yes.
What you got? This net's better. That's because I made it this afternoon. It's a bespoke.
Bring me the buckets.
net.
I've got hundreds of shrimps.
Got a baby Dover sole. Look at that.
Fishies! I got see-through fishies.
See-through fishes.
Yeah, see-through fishies. Look at my see-through fishies.
See-through, they're not in there.
No, the see-through ones I can't now find. Here's my see-through fishy. Told you it wasn't see-through. Oh, no, it's
Look how tiny it is.
oh, shut up.
No points. Got to be Dover sole to win any points.
Mate, clearly not very good at picking fish up, are you?
Clearly not. Definitely a Dover sole. Oh, he's like a slippery little
A slippery little what, Dad?
little bugger.
You can't be using language like that, Dad. Goodbye, put my eyes out. Right, can we switch nets?
You're going to make your mind up.
No.
I caught them in that one, and you want this one. This one, then you want that one.
Yeah. I will have whatever this I want, because I'm your favourite child. And that's how it works. That's how having a favourite child works, Dad. Favourite child gets everything,
Is that right?
including your soul.
Including my soul. What, my Dover sole?
That, yes. And your real soul.
A goby? I don't think it's a goby. You caught a small fish.
With a yellow tip on the tail.
Yellow tip on its tail. It's not a weaver fish, is it? You need to be careful. Because we could catch weaver fish doing this.
There's one fell off. Look, there he is. Is that a weaver?
Yes, it is.
Yay! I caught
Pretty
a
sure
very
it is.
dangerous fish.
Yeah, it's a weaver fish.
Right, how are you going to pick it up then, Dad?
When you said that yellow tip on the tail was a bit of a sort of giveaway.
How are you going to pick
See
it
if
up?
I've got anything in my net. Hang on. No.
It's not him. He's
So-
running away.
There he is.
Woo.
The lesser weaver. You want to stand on that? That's what they're called. Lesser weaver fish.
What, because they're lesser potent? Ow!
I've caught, this is my second dragonet so far.
What on earth is a dragonet?
Dragonet?
What's a dragonet?
This is a dragonet.
Is it a small fish?
Yeah.
3 points for you then.
Cool.
Oh my god, I can't get this big off.
I've caught some of those feisty crabs. Oh, and a flatfish.
I've literally got nothing.
Don't know what that is. Different sort of flatfish. It's not a Dover sole. And then
I got
hermit
1
crabs.
point. You got
I've got
11
1,000 points.
No, you got 11.
No, I've got loads of shrimps.
You got 1 point.
That's
Yeah.
a nice shrimp there.
I get 3.
With you against the sunset, and then you started pulling a face like a baboon.
Against the sunset. Fairies.
Oh, I caught nothing this time.
Dad, I caught a big one. I got a big one. I got a big one.
What you got? A thornback ray? Let's have a look.
I got a big one.
You got a baby thornback.
That's got to be worth some extra points here.
That's the best fish so far, for sure.
Come on.
Look at that. Baby thornback ray.
Take that, Dad.
What a classic.
Hundreds of crabs.
Another weaver fish. I've got a load of crabs too.
Yeah, I got more than you with crabs. Look at mine.
Little baby fish there flipping. Oh, I've got another Dover sole.
Dad, look at my net. How many crabs do you think are in here, Dad? So far I counted. How many crabs do you think are in there?
Well, there's probably
Counted
15.
Oh, I've counted 15, and there's more to go. There's more than 15.
We know your idea of counting though. 1 billion
Smarter than
crabs.
I'm smarter than you.
Mind you, I did catch Dover sole. That was 10 points on its own, wasn't it? On that net.
That's 5. Raise a 10.
All right, okay, so they've changed points as well.
No. Oh my god, I'm in mud. I'm in a... Oh, Dad, I'm sinking. Dad, I'm actually sinking.
Well, don't go that way then, come this way.
I'm sinking.
What's my net?
No, I don't care about your net.
You stood in it.
Good. I was bloody sinking, Dad.
Oh, those crabs love that mud.
Go stand in that mud. Dad, I finally got flatfish.
You got a flatfish?
I got more than one flatfish.
Hang on then. See, they like the mud then. So today we got thornback ray.
That I
Caught 2 rays. I copied you. Okay. So we've got beautiful thornback rays. Little mini monsters.
Oh, a very dead spider crab.
Loads of little monsters, loads of little Dover soles. So, got plenty of those. Got a spider crab, hundreds of those. We've got these sand gobies, so plenty of them. And we also got
Sea cucumbers.
dragonettes.
Dad, look at my sea cucumbers. Look at them.
Different types of shore crabs, hermit crabs,
Which are
more sand gobies, dragonettes.
Sea cucumbers. Dad, look at them.
The Dover soles.
Squirt.
And shrimp.
Cucumbers.
Go on then, squirt the cucumber. Whatever you call it, whatever it is.
Sea cucumber. Oh, they all popped.
No, it's not going to hurt you. Let's have a look.
Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, it's just...
It's a thornback ray.
No, I mean, there's something touching me, like, attacking me.
Nice. Loads of them. Let's go, babies.
Look, Dad, look at Stingray. Look at him move. Oh, God, it's fast, can't it?